If Telegram is not working on your computer, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that can help get Telegram running again quickly. This is a great method if the app is frozen, won't open, keeps loading, or just seems stuck for no reason. And before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's fix it. First, we're going to close any background Telegram processes that may still be running. Sometimes Telegram stays open in the background even when the window looks closed, and that can stop it from reopening properly. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and S at the same time to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running apps and background processes for Telegram or Telegram Desktop. When you find it, right-click on it and choose End Task. This will fully close the program. After that, try opening Telegram again and see if it starts normally. If it still is not working, the next step is to check your network and DNS settings. A bad cache or a network issue can sometimes cause Telegram to fail to connect. To do this, press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This is important because the next commands need administrator access. When the command prompt window opens, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. This clears your DNS cache and can help fix connection problems. Next, type nets Winsock reset and press Enter. This resets your network socket settings, which can often solve app connection issues. After both commands are done, restart your computer so the changes can fully take effect. Once your PC restarts, open Telegram again and check whether it is working properly now. In many cases, these two steps are enough to fix the issue. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more quick fixes and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.